to conduct this session of Master Evaluator.
Thank you, General Evaluator. Good morning, everyone. Today, as a Master Evaluator, I'd like to present a quick report on the evaluator's evaluation. In general, all the three evaluators used a sandwich technique, which is very welcoming. So all the three evaluators had the strengths, recommendations, and they summed it up with the strengths, which is very good. To individually go with each evaluator, I'll start off with Distinguished Toastmaster Sundararaman first. One strength that I absolutely loved in your evaluation today, Sundar sir, is the purpose of this icebreaker is for the audience to know Toastmaster Gopinath better. You just didn't assume if the audience knew him better. You went a step ahead and ensured that everybody knew him better through a quick 20-minute activity in the chat window. Something that I have never come across in any evaluation so far, and I really liked it. It was very interactive, and you didn't assume your audience, you took their answers to confirmation. That is something that was done out of box, and I absolutely loved it. What you could have done today better in your evaluation, always don't say it, do it. Now your recommendation, you only recommended, I'm sorry, you only recommended as to what could have been better. You recommended dialogues. I would have loved if you have shown a quick demo of how effectively this dialogue could have given a greater impact in the story. So just a two-liner, make it a dialogue and would have shown it. Always don't say it, show it. So that's one recommendation that I want you to take back today. Moving on to our second evaluator, Distinguished Toastmaster Jayanti Sundar. Jayanti, I loved your strength, and that strength is to summarize brilliantly. And I could see the depth of your analytical skills when you could put in all the strengths beautifully for us to remember. Very well done, deeply analytical. I loved it. I love the way you gave the impact by narrating the trauma first and then the story later, and how it would have a greater impact in the story. Very well done as an evaluator. Now, one recommendation that I wanted to give to you today, Jayanti ma'am, is that summarizing your points, you did it. However, you did only the strengths. I would recommend you to also summarize the recommendation point. So you said you were brilliant, you were rocking, you were out of the world. If you could take my specific recommendation as to have the trauma first and then the story, this story will make a greater impact, right? So make sure you give the recommendation also in the summary. Very well done today on the evaluation, Jayanti ma'am. And finally, our guest evaluator, Toastmaster Vaishali. Vaishali, this is the first time I'm hearing you evaluate, and I should say I'm really stunned by your analytical skills. You are clear, concise, and I love the way you used a technique, a fragmentation technique, and that was very apt for this evaluation, and it definitely was new and it was effective. Very well done on bringing out the strengths of the speaker in a very positive tone. Well done. My recommendation to you, Vaishali, today is to number the strengths. Usually it went on like a paragraph, so I was actually losing count of how many strengths are you actually giving out here. So it's always good to say, I loved 3 things about your story today. Number 1 is this, number 2 is this, number 3 is this. In the end, I will be able to make a ratio of how much strengths and recommendations you had. Was it a 3:2 or 2:1 kind of a feeling? So having said that, I loved the way you gave the clear, concise, analytical evaluation. Well done, all the 3 evaluators. Today's evaluation segment did pay off very well to all the speakers and to all audience as well. Thank you, and back to the general evaluation.